Welcome back. Today, no rules, just patterns. Easy English grammar with stories. Switch on the captions now. It will help you see the words more clearly in this lesson. So today, we are not learning rules or lists, but we are learning grammar. We are learning by patterns, everyday stories, and rhythms. That is how English becomes natural. Let's look at how English changes between one thing and more than one thing. Mm. Most of the time, the pattern is simple. One thing and two things, we just add S. One house, two houses. One dentist, two dentists. One hand, two hands. Now, some more everyday things. Books, bags, shoes, chairs, tables, windows, teachers, computers, telephones. So here the rhythm is 1 and 2 is with an S. That's the regular pattern. But English also has some special patterns. They don't follow the normal rhythm. So let's hear them inside three short stories. So this story is about one thing only. My house is near my dentist. I go to the dentist. The dentist looks at my mouth. I have one tooth with a problem. I have one foot on the chair and one hand on my knee. In the waiting room, there is one man, one woman, and one child. Each one is waiting. Oh no, there's a mouse in the room. What happens when there's more than one? Let's see. So today, there are two dentists working. They are busy. Many are waiting. Feet move, hands tap. Five children play on the floor. They show their teeth. Three men read newspapers. Two women talk quietly. At home, I see many houses on the street. Oh, there are actually three mice. One mouse is eating, two mice are running. Now let's mix them together. Single and plural, one and a few or many. I walked back to my house. There are many houses on my street. In one house lives one mouse. On the road, I met one man and one woman. The woman smiles and shows her teeth. The woman has one child. The man has two children. The man shakes my hand. We all stand together with our feet on the ground. So, what do we hear? Easy rhythm with the S, with dentist and dentists, house and houses, hand and hands, but special patterns with a different rhythm. Tooth, one tooth, many teeth, one foot, 2 feet, one mouse, two, three mice, one man, two men, one woman, three women, one child, two or three children. So here's another story, a practical example. Many families nowadays have one child only. Few families have many children. This is today's reality in our society. And here's a good trick. We say mouse becomes mice, but we do not say house becomes HICE. Mouse, mice, but not house, HICE. So it stays house, houses. That rhythm, hearing that again and again. My house, the houses on the street, that's the rhythm. There is a mouse. Or there are three mice. That's the rhythm. If you like this style of learning, no rules, no lists, just patterns, real stories and rhythms, and just listening and speaking, then subscribe. This is only one lesson in a full series that I'm building on easy grammar. Each video will give you a new pattern with short stories you can remember, simple stories, and rhythms you can feel and remember too. So on this channel, you will also find everyday English lessons, short ones, long ones. There are simple speaking practice and even real stories from life, from my everyday life in Australia. So stay with me, follow the series, and let's make English easier, step by step, pattern by pattern, rhythm by rhythm. So click the above to watch the next lesson.